Hey guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at an affordable speed light, and that is the Godox TT520 Mark III Thinklite camera flash. Now, before we get started, this video is sponsored by Godox South Africa. So if you are in the market for new lighting or drone accessories, you could use my discount code to get 5% of your next purchase. So let's open this up and see what we have here. The TT520 Mark III is a powerful and affordable speed light that's designed to work across a wide range of camera brands. Here we have an RT transmitter, so you can use your flash wirelessly. This flash works via the 433 MHz frequency. The TT520 comes in a soft cloth pouch, so you can keep your flash protected when not in use. It has a flexible head, so you can bounce light when shooting in venues with white ceilings or walls. Bouncing light allows you to get much softer, more natural looking images. This flash is powered via 4 AA batteries. It is also compatible for the PB960 battery pack, which is sold separately. This battery pack allows you to get up to 1800 full power shots. Since this is a manual flash, it is extremely easy to use. You just switch on and you are ready to capture some of your best images. Now this flash also features the S1 and S2 modes. To activate the wireless, you just press and hold the mode button for a few seconds. This flash also features a built-in diffuser and reflector panel. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.